A block of mass 1 kg is at rest on a horizontal table. The coefficient of static friction between the block and the table is 0.5. The magnitude of the force acting upwards at an angle of 60 degrees from the horizontal that will just start the block moving is. Let us suppose that this is the horizontal table on which a block of mass 1 kg is resting. It is given that this surface is rough. And the coefficient of static friction is given as 0.5. It is also said that this block is being pulled by a force F which is inclined at an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. Now if we draw free body diagram on this 1 kg, we will have its weight acting downwards, which is mg, and normal reaction force acting vertically upwards. Now F gets resolved into two components as F cos 60 degrees, which acts horizontally towards right, and F sin 60 degrees, which acts vertically upwards. Because of F cos 60 degrees, there starts a relative motion between the block and the rough surface. So a frictional force comes into play which tries to oppose that motion. So the direction of this frictional force will be towards to the left. Now for the block to start moving towards right, F cos 60 degrees should be at least equal to the limiting friction. So F cos 60 degrees is equal to, FL is written as mu s times of normal reaction force, and from FBD we can write n plus F sin 60 degrees equals to as mg. So we can write n equals to as mg minus F sin 60 degrees. So substituting the value of n in this equation, we get F cos 60 degrees equal to as mu s times of mg minus F sin 60 degrees. So on rearranging this, we can write F times of cos 60 degrees plus mu s times of sin 60 degrees is equal to mu s times of mg. So from this we can write F equal to as mu s mg upon cos 60 degrees plus mu s sin 60 degrees. So substituting the values and simplifying, we get F value equal to as 20 upon 2 plus root 3 newtons. Therefore the correct option is